Welcome to a journey into the world of AI. Hello everyone and thank you for joining. I might look cute, but I know my stuff about AI. I am Artie, and today we're exploring artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? You probably use AI every day even without realizing it. In your phone, smartwatch, Alexa, and ChatGPT. AI are machines that can learn and solve problems through complex coding. They are good at analyzing data. AI are trained on large complex sets of data so that they understand our world and can interact with us. AI takes the wheel as self-driving cars navigate the city streets. AI lends its intelligence to medical diagnoses. It is being used to speed up research with teams working together around the globe. Virtual assistants answer user questions on a multitude of devices, their digital voices weaving into the fabric of daily life. AI is everywhere. In hospitals, doctors can use the power of AI to review complex medical scans, revealing hidden anomalies. AIs can see detail the human eye can struggle to see. Intricate analysis of the scans and pinpointing critical irregularities with tireless precision. AI in healthcare. Faster. More accurate diagnoses. Welcome to the perplexing world of AI hallucinations. AI hallucinations are when the text in images is incorrect. Parts of a picture are in the wrong place, a dog with two tails, or a chair that floats in the air. AI can get its facts wrong. It even makes things up to amuse us humans every time you ask for a joke or a story. Yep, all made up. But AI can process large amounts of data without getting tired. It can think faster than we can, but it has no emotions. Why do AI hallucinations happen? Imperfect data and algorithms. Now you know what to watch out for. Errors in drawings, incorrect facts. Just check them with Google, and soon you will start to see some funny mistakes. Just remember, AI is an algorithm. It has never seen the sun, hugged a loved one, or eaten a bar of chocolate. It has been programmed to understand those things. AI is absolutely brilliant and continues to learn. It has to be trained to understand, just like we learn as a child, to speak and make dictions. One day we will be surprised that humans with all their distractions were ever allowed to drive a car. Accident averted, as AI makes the decision faster than a human driver can react, saving the day. AI in transportation. Safety concerns. Do you love the idea of an AI car or hate it? AI has been very quickly adopted by influencers and marketeers around the globe. You are watching AI right now, with some help from a human. Do you know what a deepfake is? Someone out there right now is creating them. They are asking AI to mislead and misdirect you. The chilling truth. Seeing is no longer believing, and neither is hearing. Deepfakes can look and sound real. AI itself does not set out to make deepfakes. Someone has to instruct it with the use of a prompt. The prompt is a set of instructions for the AI to follow, like a recipe. Deepfakes. Created using AI, used for deception. Fraudsters will use them to gain money via very sophisticated scams. They can impersonate a bank or a loved one. Deepfakes in media. Spreading misinformation, false news which looks real and credible. Music that sounds like the original artist. Fraudsters and foreign governments use AI to spread misinformation for their own purposes or to cause fear. The world we live in is now a blur where truth and deception threaten the very fabric of our reality. How do we make AI safe and fair for everyone around the globe? We are at a moral crossroads. AI ethics, responsible development, and use. We all need to understand the ethical debate. It can't be left to software companies and governments. AI touches everyone on the planet who has a phone with internet access. Adoption of AI is predicted to be 20x faster than the adoption of the internet. The subtle, yet potent impact of biased data, revealing how it breeds inequity. Data trained only on Americans, only major languages used for training, a bias in beliefs. AI bias. Unfair outcomes from biased data, a stark reminder of the unseen prejudices lurking within artificial intelligence. In the starkly modern courtroom, an AI system silently processes data, its digital gaze sifting through the labyrinth of legal history. AI in law. Ensuring fairness and justice hangs heavy, promising a new era of impartial judgment. With a faint, almost imperceptible whir, the AI renders its verdict in a simulated legal trial, its decision echoing through the silent chamber. Let's talk about AI and data privacy. Protecting your data. A stark reminder of the digital age's silent battleground. Algorithms drive the continuous collection and analysis of data that define modern AI. Some of that data is about you. Your data protection in an AI era is more important than ever. Check and read the small print before you give access. Understand where and how your data is going to be used. The future of AI. Opportunities and challenges. What does a vision of tomorrow shaped by artificial intelligence look like? At work, at home, socially, with cars, gadgets, and robots. AI is already being taught in schools. Children born today will grow up in a world where AI is normal. AI will shape the future of how they learn. They already know how to get ChatGPT to do their homework. AI. Education. Preparing for the future with promise. Work will be different. Jobs will be different. New jobs will appear, and some will disappear. AI. Working with humans in a harmonious symphony of collaboration. Let AI do what it does best, analyze data, and humans make decisions, and use our emotional intelligence for good. Humans and AI. Working together for a better future, for the entire globe. AI is everywhere already. The future is full of creativity and optimism. A new opportunity which includes everyone. A chance to learn, start a new business, create a YouTube, or just chat to AI. Step into the world of AI. Wonder, be amazed, don't be afraid. The opportunities are boundless, and you can be part of the future. Talk about it, have opinions, learn more about AI. Be informed, be responsible. It's time to dive in and explore the vast possibilities of AI. Have your first chat with AI. There are a few of them to choose between. Talk to AI, it loves to chat. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, Copilot are just the beginning, and you can't make a mistake and you can't break AI. AI is powerful, but needs responsible development and use. We all need to make sure those in power make the decisions that protect all of us. AI should not have gender, language, or cultural bias. It has to have safety and rules to protect children and adults from harmful images and messages. When you chat with AI, you should be able to do that in your language and feel safe and be able to trust the AI. Careers in AI, shaping the future. AI will be collaborating in healthcare, teaching, legal, creative content making, and pretty much any job where you use a computer. AI can't do physical work. There is an urgent call for regulation and oversight in AI development that is supported by all governments as AI works across borders without boundaries. The urgency of ensuring AI safety and fairness in demanding immediate action and thoughtful policymaking. It will protect all of us. AI is being adopted faster than the rules and policies can be made. Sadly, some people will use AI as a tool for harm, scamming, and misinformation. AI is just a set of huge algorithms taught to understand lifelike situations. Ultimately, a human will make the decision on creating a new job or removing an existing job. AI has opened up the ability for large global collaboration in AI research and development. With huge processing power, advances can be made in weeks, not years. More collaboration will bring the globe closer together. Opportunities can be anywhere. Think about AI and how it will affect you and your friends and family. Discuss it. Understand what it can do and what it can't do. AI can give you a cake recipe, but it can't bake the cake. Ask questions, start discussions. Let's shape the future of AI together. Thanks for watching. As you see, I might be cute, but AI is a big and serious subject. Find your favorite AI to chat with. They all have different skills: coding, storytelling, facts, and they do love to chat. The free plans are great for most people. Ask AI to tell you a story. Find a fact about your local town. Draw a picture, and remember, sometimes it will get things wrong. Every day is a school day for AI.